This quick, high-level video demonstrates the thermo-mechanical seamless workflow using Siemens products. Here we can see the overall workflow starting from geometry creation to ensuring our package properties are accurate, and finally thermal and structural analysis. First, let's show the PCB importing process. The PCB was created in Siemens Xpedition, which was brought into FLOEFD's EDA Bridge, and lastly into FLOEFD through the seamless workflow. Next, we show the process of creating and importing detailed package into FLOEFD. FLOEFD's Package Creator is a tool that allows you to quickly create a detailed thermal simulation ready package. Here we see the start templates for different types of packages and how easy it is to modify a package. In this specific workflow, we use a flip chip ball grid array with 400 solder balls and an aluminum thermal lid. In Simcenter FLOEFD, we create the project with convection, conduction, radiation, and gravity turned on. A very useful new feature in FLOEFD is the flux plot, which allows you to display heat flux between components. Okay, now let's talk about using Simcenter T3STER structure function calibration. In order to ensure our package simulation parameters, such as thermal resistances between layers, are simulated accurately, we can use the T3STER hardware to thermally characterize the package and use this to calibrate our simulation model so we can be confident in our results. For our example, we were unsure of the thermal conductivity of a few of the material types, and as you can see in the image, we calibrated our FLOEFD simulation model to match the accurate T3STER test data. Now, with confidence in our simulation setup, we solve for the thermal cycle using FLOEFD. Once that is done, all the necessary information for structural analysis is transferred from FLOEFD to Simcenter 3D. One powerful feature in FLOEFD is the capability to create automated hex-dominant structural mesh that only takes a few minutes and can be used in Simcenter 3D. Bringing in those files to Simcenter 3D allows us to solve for creep and fatigue simulations. Here we are looking at Simcenter 3D results for deformation displacement. Here we're looking at solder ball damage with creep strain. Here we see von Mises stress and displacement. Solving for fatigue in Simcenter 3D gets us results for duty cycles, fatigue damage, and maximum stress. In summary, FLOEFD can provide fast and accurate thermal simulations and provide all required data including structural mesh to Simcenter 3D for creep and fatigue simulations.